Hi everybody, today I'm sharing information about my scrubbies. What are scrubbies? These are scrubbies. These are washable alternatives to those disposable scrubbing pads, which I used to use loads of, and for doing the bathroom, the sink, things that get quite a bit of soap scum on them. So these, in my popular, ever popular bee fabric, are made from, so the top is just plain cotton, okay, the bottom is hessian, and I'll show you the hessian that it comes from because this is really clever. This, I don't know if you can see it, oh massive, I might have to go back, is an old coffee sack. So it's hessian, but it's quite soft hessian. Oh, I think oh my goodness, there's still some coffee beans in the bottom. They've just fallen out. So yes, so there are these coffee sacks. Okay, and on the middle, to give it a little bit more padding. Oh, sorry if you hear a noise, that's just the water, because I am actually down in my basement where the boiler is. They're slightly thicker, and what they've got in them is some cotton terry. So you can see it's nice and fluffy and absorbent. That's what I use on my reusable wipes. But it's mostly little scraps that I have, long thin scraps, which I can't use for making wipes because they're too thin. So I put a couple of them together on the inside and sew around them. And then, to get an extra little layer of padding, but also reusing stuff, I use these. Can you tell what these are? These are old school shirts that my children have outgrown, or that are covered in such stains as I wouldn't dare send them to school in. They get sent in some staining simply because we'd go through so many in their lifetime. So you can see I've chopped them up, and because they grow out of them pretty quickly and they shrink when you wash them, because you've got to wash them all the time because of curry sauce at lunch, which is tasty but also gets all over your shirt. So that's what's on the inside. So they're all fully top stitched around the outside and also top stitched in the middle to hold it all together nicely. And I use these for cleaning the bathroom, cleaning the sink. Yeah, any kind of cleaning where I'd used a scrubbing pad which I'd just thrown away. And then to wash them, I just pop them in the washing machine, about 40, 60, I've done them at 90. The thing is when you get to the hotter temperatures, they kind of go a bit shriveled up, so you kind of have to pull them back. But I wanted to test them at 90, and I did test them at 90. I put them in the tumble dryer, which will slightly make them shrink and a bit shriveled, but they are still very much usable. So I would recommend line drying as much as you can, or just near it to like a radiator so it's not as hot as the tumble dryer. But you can put them in the tumble dryer if you want. I love them. They work for me. I hope they work for you. As always, if you have any issues with any of the products that I sell, please get in touch. My aim is to make your life easier, to make it much more reusable, help you be more eco-friendly with really nice patterns. Because being eco-friendly shouldn't have to be brown, is my motto. Pretty, practical and planet friendly. So I hope that was really useful. Any comments, leave them in the comments down below. More details as usual down in the description as well of how to get to my shop. And yeah, I'll see you all again next time. Okay, bye bye.